My dear net aspirants, my dear brothers and sisters, my dear students, I heartily welcome all of you. Today's 21st April 2024. National Testing Agency announced UGC net exam June 2024's exams date. Night 1 p.m. notification was released on UGC NTA website. Just I saw the notification and I am standing in front of you to inform this news. I know that you are very eager. You are very eager to apply this NTA net exam. I hope you will apply for this NTA net exam, which is going to held in the month of June 2024. The exam date is 16th June 2024. Let us look at the important highlight points. What are the different aspects are reflecting on coming NTA net exam? The first thing is NTA UGC net exam application is released in the night 1 a.m. Exam date is 16th June 2024. Only one day. Earlier it was offline. Several days the exam was conducted on online. But this time it is only one day, 16th June 2024. This time NTA net exam is going to held in offline mode. Offline. OMR sheet. They will give you OMR sheet and you can fill ABCD options. OMR sheet, optical mark recognition. Pen and paper format. Here, this is the website. You can apply application through online only. http UGC net NTA AC in, and this is the online date, application date 20th April to 10th May 2024. Only 20 days are given. Only 20 days are in your hand. So earlier it was 30 days, but this time they reduced the date. They reduced the days. Only 20 days are in your hand to apply for this application. If you are serious, today only you apply or tomorrow you can apply. But don't leave it at the last date. Okay? Apply as early as possible. And what are the benefits of this NTA net exam? This is the first time they are going to declare the result in three formats. The first is those who are getting highest mark students will get JRF, Junior Research Fellowship, means a PhD. He can take the PhD admission with stipend. JRF, Junior Research Fellowship, highest student, highest mark taker, plus assistant professor, appointment for assistant professor. Okay, this is the first criteria. The students who is going to get more mark, he will get JRF, assistant professor post, qualified for assistant professor post and eligible for getting PhD admission. This is first criteria. The second criteria is those who are taking good marks. That student will get assistant professor. He is eligible for assistant professor post and eligible for PhD admission. Approximately, according to my point of view, 150 above marks if you get, you will get this second result. If you get more than 180, you will get that first result. And the third result is if you get more than 100, these marks are my own experience, but let us see. And the third criteria is only PhD admission. Only PhD admission. Here, if you comes under only PhD admission, you are eligible for taking admission only, but you are not eligible for getting assistant professor post. You are not eligible for GRF. Highest mark taker GRF and assistant professor post, and second assistant professor post plus admission for PhD, and third criteria is only for PhD admission. It means if you are serious, you will get at least one benefit. Here are the three benefits, three advantages. Highest taker will get JRF and assistant professor, second assistant professor and PhD, and third students he will get the or she will get the PhD admission. So your efforts will not go waste, your efforts will not go vain, your efforts will not go vanish. You will get something. If you try good, you will get something good benefit from NTA NET exam. So be careful, be serious, be obedient with yourself, then write the exam. We have very limited days in our hand. Only 55 days are in our hand. I hope make a systematic use of 55 days. You know that we have only earlier different question papers were there in online mode, but this time no, only one question paper for all the 10 lakh students. Probably 10 lakh students are going to appear this exam. 10 lakh, remember, and 50,000 students are going to declare. 10 lakh, it is, students are appearing more, but serious students are appearing less. So please, you come under serious criteria. Be sincere with yourself. If you are writing Karnataka set, already you have wrote the Karnataka set exam. Even Maharashtra students already they wrote the Maharashtra set exam, and remaining state students are preparing for their respective states set exam. But if you are doing consistently, you will get the result. And don't think that NET exam is hard. No, not at all hard. Just you should make a planning 55 days. You should have the syllabus copy, paper number, general paper and paper number second, paper 1 and paper 2. You should have the syllabus copy and write down in your notebook. Okay, take a notebook, make a separate paper number 1 notebook is different, paper 2 book is different. Write the syllabus in your notebook, and daily just 2 minutes you spend your valuable time for revising the syllabus. Okay, and next you focus on 3 years previous year question paper, last 3 years. Okay, that is enough, because every time the question paper trend is changing. You don't go for 10 years back question paper, just you go through 2 years or 3 years. Why you should read the question paper? You will get idea what kind of questions are asking, how questions are asking, what is the difficulty level, what is the easy level, what type of questions, are all questions are easy, are all questions are hard, or all questions are moderate, all questions are memory based, or all questions are simple type of question. You will understand whether it is true or false, whether it is fill in the blanks, whether it is multi-level questions, or concept based question, or critical analysis question, or comprehension questions, or decision making questions. Look at the question paper past 3 years and write down in your notebook. When you write, then only you will understand the inner meaning of the each and every word. Okay, 3 years, that is enough. And you should have the study material. You should have the paper one book, paper number second, one book. That is enough. Don't take multiple books. Okay, because time is very short. For time being, if you have a limited material in your hand, that limited material will help you to make you more and more revision. Revision is important. If you have the limited material books and limited material videos, don't skip, don't watch all teachers' videos. All teachers are good. All they are teaching according to their angle. But what you, some people, some students are blaming, oh, your videos are useless, you are bogus. If my videos are bogus, then kindly don't watch. Those videos are very good, you can watch it. You see that your duty is only to get the content and improve yourself. Don't watch this video, that video multiple times. You don't skip your videos. Only follow one video means you will get some ideas. Okay, you are not a small baby that everything we should give you spoon feeding is not our duty. Okay, just get an idea. Oh, this sir has followed this type of technique, let it be, I will follow this type. Oh, this is the way he has followed, this is his approach. Understand the approach, then follow it. Okay, and you should have the limited books. Paper 1 and paper number 2 limited book means content is important. What you are reading, if your content is correct, if your content is standard, if your content is exam oriented, you will get the result. If your content is knowledge based, if your content is more, then how you are going to reduce it? Because when you read the book at the time, read one time, read second time, then make a notes. When you make your own notes, that notes will help you to revise, and when you revise, automatically you will remember in the exam. And don't think that net exam is difficult. Net exam question paper are very tough, high level questions they are asking. No, all questions are based only concept. In net, all questions are based on concept only. Concept means at least two to three sentences you should know about one concept. This is called content. Okay, see, one example I am telling on my own book. Okay, see, after writing different exams and different books and different material, I made one simple and sample book. This is very small book. This is net exam book. If you watch the book size, see, it is looking very small. Why it is a small? It is my notes. It is not a book. It is a notes. While preparing net exam, while preparing set exam, I made a notes, and that notes is printed in this book, and it became short. And if you have my book in your hand, then don't make a notes on my book. Already I limited. See that this is one example I am telling you. Already I have several times I shown this book, teaching aptitude 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pages are teaching aptitude. You read 7 page more than 10 times reading. Automatically you will remember what is the content and what kind of questions are asking in the exam. I analyzed the question paper according to the quality of question paper, according to the option of the question paper. I analyzed and I made a notes. It is not a knowledge based, it is only experience based notes I have written. Okay, you read it as it is, you write down in your notebook, then read and watch the video. And suppose if research, look at the page, one page, 2 page, 3 page, 4 page, enough. 4 page are enough to get the 10 marks. Then why you are thinking that net is hard? No, not at all. Net is not hard. You should make the notes. You should read a quality book. Okay, all books are quality. Okay, but if you are referring 10 books and making your notes, then it will take a time. Already I prepared the notes. It is better to refer these notes, and at least you should have this much knowledge in your mind. While entering in the classroom, you should have 4 page notes on research aptitude. Apart from this book, if you get new question, leave it. But at least if you focus on limited source, you will get confidence. When you read limited books, after reading the book, you make your own notes in your notebook, write down it, take paper number 1 and paper number 2, be specific. Okay, specific content is very important. This book, and along with this book, this is the question bank. Okay, 5000 objective type question bank. Each chapter contained 500 questions. You read it. If you are a Marathi medium student, you first read this book, Marathi medium book, 1 chapter. Then you read in English medium. Then you read in question bank. Okay. If okay, 1 minute. If you are a Kannada medium student, first you read Kannada book, then you read English book, then you read question bank. See friends, see that I am telling you my own thoughts. Okay, it is not mandatory for me to take my book only. You take any other teacher's book. Okay, you read yourself. Okay. See, my Chinnu is telling that why you are teaching only in English, you teach in Kannada or you teach in Marathi, because all our poor students are getting little bit problems. See friends, one thing is very important. Yes, content is important, then time management. We have the only limited times, 55 days are in our hand. If you give 20 days for paper number 1 and remaining days you should focus on paper number 2. Every day 2 to 3 hours. Now this is a golden time for all of you, because all the students are getting holidays. It is your summer holidays. Though you are working in a college or school, you will get the leave. Okay, vacations are there. Summer vacation. If you are a student, again it is a vacation for you. So each and every minute, please remember I am telling, each and every day is important, hours are important, minute are important, seconds are important. I kindly request you, please don't do other things, because these 2 months are very valuable for you. If you lost KSET exam result, if you lost Maharashtra SET exam, forget that and you improve what mistake you did. You see your mistake and you rectify your mistake. You change your mistake. You change your approach. If you change your approach, if you change your ways, if you change your ideas, if you change your notes, if you change your angle looking at the exam, definitely will get the result. Okay, and if you are doing other things which are not important for you now, okay, your important is only getting the result. If you get the result in the month of July, you will get a certificate in your hand. You can go and join a college, you can go and join universities, or you can teach as a guest lecturer, or even you will get at least PhD admission na? Okay, getting benefits are more advantages are there. And this time they had given another rules that other students, those who are not completed PG, postgraduate students, such students are going to appear this exam this time. Those who are completed 4 years, means 4-year bachelor, especially engineering student and other students are also going to appear for NET exam. Means quantity is going to increase. Okay, number of students are going to increase. But if you are stick up with your point, if you are stick up with your study material, if you are stick up with your goal, surely you will get the result. Okay, thank you so much. And I also try my level best to deliver my experience with you. Okay, and little bit I am getting a confusion that shall I continue in English or shall I mix of Marathi and Kannada. If I start using Kannada language, then I should use only Kannada videos separate. If I use Marathi, then I should use Marathi and English. Anyhow, I try, let us see, because I also not getting good time for me. But the coming days are holidays. Anyhow, now we are busy with election duties. Friends, whatever the duty you are doing, whatever the busy schedule you have, in that busy schedule you take up some precious time for coming NET exam and get the result. Okay, don't lose your confidence, don't lose your hopes. Time, give proper time. If you give value to your time, you will get the benefits. Okay, I think you understood my English. If you do not understand, again you can watch it, you will understand. And if you need my book, then this is a contact number, books number 8263016448. Okay, and that is my mobile number 7397847907. Sir, why you are telling your mobile number? You are not picking my calls. But then why you are writing on blackboard? In this way, some students day before yesterday are harshly writing messages to me. Friends and brothers and my sisters, look. Okay, Writing harsh message is very easy, okay, but that words torture me, okay, and what you torture others na, that will torture you also. Please, if you see, and there are many kind students are there, okay, they are writing very solid and encouraging messages to me. Whenever I am reading the good messages from good students, at the time I increase my confidence, then I start teaching you, then I start explaining you, then I start my experience to sharing with you, okay. If you like, then you watch the videos or read the books. If you don't like, don't worry, you skip my videos and watch other professors videos. You can read other professors books also, okay. And here, please don't judge, hey, he is bad and he is good. No, it is not your duty. I am telling only those who are negatively talking, okay. That is why I closed my Facebook also. That is not a benefit for me to use Facebook and share videos. I'm sharing my videos through YouTube only, and I always keep comments off, because good students are always good. Don't worry, good students blessing is always with me, and my support is always with them. And some are harsh students and some are negative minded, and they do the negative things. Let it be, it's their life. What you see, you will understand, okay. Your chashma is very important. How the world is seen by with your chashma. What kind of chashma you wear, such things you are watching, okay. Please, you change your chashma, then everything you will see good things, okay. Thank you so much. Once again, I am always with you in coming NET exam. Be prepared, be positive, be sincere with yourself, okay. NET exam, if you get the NET exam result, that result will entirely change your coming days life, okay. That much strength this certificate has. Thank you so much. Namaskar.